Once again, happy afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to witness this very momentous occasion. Amidst the pandemic, we are all here, very thankful and grateful to be able to celebrate this event. The 33rd commencement exercises of Palawan Adventist Technical Vocational Institute. And so without further ado, let us start this program. Let us start with the processional. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduating class officers. The treasurer for Caregiving NC2, Mr. Jeffrey Aburon. And now, the candidates for graduation for Caregiving NC2. Mr. Jeffrey Aburon. At this point, we will now proceed to the awarding of your certificates. So, marireceive nyo na po yung inyong mga certificates, and special awards also will be given to those who have excelled through during the training. And for the awarding of the certificates and special awards, may I call on Ma'am Roslyn Bautista and the members of the Administrative Council, the speaker, our commencement speaker, Doc Dean Palangka, the TESDA Administrative Officer 5, Ma'am Jovelyn Alcazar, the President of Adventist Hospital Palawan, Sir Elias Apasible Jr., the Vice President for Operations of Adventist Hospital Palawan, Dr. Ian Kenneth Bermeo, Sir, the Head Chaplain of Adventist Hospital Palawan, Chap Ronnie Fidakan, for the awarding of the certificates. So, the certificates are awarded to Mr. Jeffrey Aburon, Miss Maria Teresa Abrogar.
At this time po, we will be presenting special awards po, no, sa second phase ng training, no, during the supervised learning experience. Okay? Another award po is the Best Inpatient Care Award. This certificate is awarded to for his or her excellent performance in patient care. Ibig sabihin, magaling siyang mag-alaga ng pasyente sa nursing ward. Okay? During the practical phase of the 33rd batch of Caregiving Institute training from September 12 to October 29, 2021. This Best Inpatient Care Award is presented to Jeffrey Aburon.
Juncture, let us hear from Mr. Jeffrey Aburot, the graduating class treasurer, the tribute to mentors.
our honored commencement speaker, Dr. Dean Palangka, Administrative Officer 5 of TESDA Palawan, Ms. Jovelyn R. Alcazar, HP President, Mr. Ilyas Apasible, Jr., HP Vice President for Operations, Dr. Ian Kenneth Bermeo, HP Director for Operations, Mr. John Leitero, HP Chaplain, Chuck Lovrel Blanco, PATV faculty and staff, parents, co-graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is indeed a privilege to be given a chance to give tribute to our mentors. As we reach these milestones, on behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who helped, guided, motivated, and inspired us throughout our training. First, to our dearest Lord, thank you for granting us courage and strength, especially during this time of pandemic. Although everyone is struggling, but we are still able to manage to finish our training. Lord, thank you for your guidance. It is true that the Lord never gives us any challenge that we cannot conquer. We made it. Lord, thank you for everything. And to all our instructors, Ma'am Bing Bautista, Ma'am Princess Navarra, Ma'am J.D. Noval, Chuck Josemel Dallas, Ma'am Sheena Rose Tuting, Ma'am Dane Mampay, and Mr. Jason. From the beginning of our journey as students, you did not only teach us the knowledge and skills to learn, but you also taught us the attitude and values needed, like how to be compassionate, attentive, respectful, and enthusiastic as we care for our patients. We are grateful for your kindness, concern, help, love, and guidance. Also, we would like to commend you for being always there to help us with our concerns and for being proactive in helping us without hesitation. We owe a lot to you. From the start of our journey, you did your best to teach us in spite of all the challenges we had during this pandemic. To Ma'am Bing Bautista and Ma'am Princess Navarra, thank you so much for not just being a teacher, but also for being a friend, counselor, whom we can share our problems and challenges. Although we had some miscommunications and misunderstanding in the past, but with your professionalism, everything was settled well. We are very sorry for our mistakes. Nevertheless, we are so grateful for your unending patience, support, and sacrifices. So our clinical instructors, Ma'am Princess Navarra, Ma'am Elisa Huritao, Ma'am Rhea Beltran, thank you for mentoring us during our supervised learning experience with patients in the different patient care units of Adventist Hospital, Palawan. The experience we gained helped improve our confidence in applying the knowledge and skills we learned. Once again, Ma'am Bing, Ma'am Princess, and to all our instructors, together with all the administrators of PATB, we thank you so much. Mabuhay po kayo.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Jeffrey Abarot.
Sabi ko, Lord, ikaw na po ang bahala sa akin. I don't know what to do today. With that, now I claim God's promise na makakasama ko siya. And indeed, God is faithful. He sent angels in human form, okay, to help me go through that day. I would like to thank Ma'am Leslie and RV for being there in the office, Sir Jeff and Miss Aiza for doing the errands for me. No, takbo dito, takbo doon. So, na-save yung steps ko. Thank you also, Ma'am Janelle and Ma'am divine.